Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Treywick, and that's Buck, and we're coming to you today from Talladega National Forest. I'm headed down to Sweetwater Lake. I'm gonna get a rod set up for a catfish, see if we can't catch something. I've got hot dogs for bait, which is just a classic basic bait. I like that today because it doesn't stink, it's not all gross, that kind of stuff. And then if I don't catch any fish, I can eat it for dinner. But
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
I think I got that, Siri. Appreciate it. Does not like the drone. He doesn't know what it is. He gets a little scared. That's why he sat in the truck. I figured it was time for a good hike. Weren't having any luck. I don't know if it's really the best spot, but I'm gonna keep a rod out while I'm sitting back there. But Couldn't sit still for too long with this beautiful weather. It is, I mean, what, in the mid 70s with a nice breeze. We don't get this kind of weather around here a whole lot, so definitely going to take advantage of it. So we're heading out on a section of the Pinhoti Trail, which, if you didn't know, the Pinhoti Trail starts in Flag Mountain here in Alabama, and it goes north up into Georgia. It's 335 miles long. Flag Mountain starts in Wegumpka, which is the southernmost peak, which rises over 1,000 feet. And then it heads up towards the Benton McKay Trail. But it's like I said, 335 miles. There are a lot of people that through hike it, go all the way from Flag Mountain up to where it intersects with the Benton McKay Trail. What's up, man?
What about that Dodge truck down here a while ago? What was his trip?
I don't even know. I thought he sprayed my truck with gravel for a second.
I heard it, man.
Yeah.
Damn, I think you sprayed that truck.
Yeah, they didn't, but yeah, I don't know. I got out and I had to look at it.
I don't think he thought you were in here.
Yeah, I was in there laying down.
Yeah, I don't think he thought you were here.
Yeah.
Because one of them got out of the truck. Could you see him?
I saw somebody walk by, but I wasn't sure if it was them or what. But and then somebody parked right here too.
Yeah. I don't think they bothered nothing.
No, yeah, I didn't.
That red Dodge, he got out. That one guy got out and he ran up there and looked in my back of my truck.
Really?
Yeah, and then because I started this away, and I realized that you come out. I thought, well,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
they probably seen them if they done anything.
Yeah, I didn't. I saw him I heard him come in and start talking. I didn't see him go in there, but once I started thinking like something ain't right, and then I heard him spin off.
I think if you wouldn't have come out, I think they were finna do. I think they're finna do something.
Yeah, that's bad, man.
I think there was some mischief fixing.
Yeah. Well, that ain't. I'll keep my sidearm in there tonight.
Yeah, I started to hit my alarm on my truck because I got my binoculars in the boat.
Yeah.
I seen that boy get out and he come around to the passenger side of the truck and he went back around to the driver's side and he walked over there. And somebody else walked off the bank.
Up to no good.
Yeah. They went right to the back of my truck.
Yeah, I was looking for something. I had a bunch of stuff laying out there. They didn't take anything though.
They were looking. If you wouldn't have come out when you did, they would have.
Man, but we gotta be safe out here.
It's sad, man.
Yeah, it really is.
I was over at Pine Green Camp one night. We come over here fishing. We got back, man. Everything we had was gone.
Really? Yeah. Everything.
I don't really expect there to be many issues tonight, but I'll definitely be sleeping lightly. I've got my motion sensor lights on, and I'm going to be taking the covers off of this window for safety, just so that I can see out and see what happens. And I also got something else that'll keep me safe just in case it gets to that. Hopefully it never does, but you never know. All right, it's bedtime. See y'all in the morning.
Where you going, buddy? Come here. Well, all right, y'all. That's going to wrap up this video. I really appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I will catch y'all on the next one.